Wait, what, Claudia? Mia had cookies this morning. Shoved them in my mouth while I was sleeping.
Didn't they
You ever have a UTI?
Swiss rolls on you again?
That's too bad.
I freaked the fuck out. I don't know.
I was lazy with it.
Yeah. I'm not gonna do it if you're gonna be lazy with it.
How else? It's not gonna make
You know I'm taking a video.
It's not gonna be any different. It's not gonna be any. How can I put that up? Fucking get a bobby pin. You get one.
Claudia, this is on video.
I don't care.
Then I'm not doing it.
Okay? You can get up to go back to your bed, but you can't get a bobby pin. No, because I feel like I'm gonna have mad problems with you.
No, you're not. You want to do my makeup?
I'm gonna find something that resembles a cookie.
What? Can I have a cookie on video?
What the fuck is on
Actually,
my back?
you owe me.
No, I don't.
You ate my mozzarella sticks.
I don't owe you.
You owe me.
I don't.
Did she give you a cookie?
No. Where's the cookies? I don't see cookies. Oh, there's the cookies.
Rachel, can you please tell me what's on my back? It feels like a fucking.
Don't let your boob come out.
What is this? Don't stop!
Okay. It's a pimple.
Are you sure?
That's a pimple. Oh, that's really bad. What?
Would you like to bake cookies
Daddy,
with me?
what is
What?
on my back?
Would you like to bake cookies with me?
I don't know.